Introducing FLEXION from PhD, a technology that emulates the motion of a human finger to solve challenges that previously had no answer. FLEXION's innovative technology is inspired by the ultimate gripper, the human hand. The act of bending a finger, anatomically defined as flexion, gives the human hand a vast range of ability and adaptability. Similarly, FLEXION's unique finger modules flex multiple joints to conform and adapt to various workpieces, offering an unmatched level of versatility and application potential. The uniquely configurable system consists of finger modules situated on either a parallel or radial gripper hub. Modules can be mounted in arrays of 1 to 5 fingers in each position for adaptability in a wide range of application requirements. Each finger can be equipped with 2 switches to sense positions. Additionally, the technology system uses ISO 9409 mounting standards, mounting directly to the majority of robots on the market. When actuated, FLEXION performs as a human finger to encapsulate a part or grip it by the fingertips. Adjustments of the operating pressure allows for a wide working range of usable force, providing industrial strength for demanding applications or a delicate touch for soft and sensitive product handling. FLEXION is the solution for your most complex and unconventional applications. Visit phdinc.com/flexion to learn more about this one-of-a-kind technology from PhD.